This conference will now be recorded.
Right, so good morning. Last session we had DOM properties today. DOM methods we see. Tell me the DOM methods. How many methods are there? 6 are. DOM methods I'm asking you. What are the 6 methods? Selecting the DOM elements for 6 methods. What are all the DOM methods ante? Create element, create text node, append child, remove, right? Get element by ID, get element by class name. All these are come under DOM methods. Now let us discuss about DOM properties. What is here? I want to know one thing. So let us open the theory file. We have already JavaScript. I think I created a file DOM, right? DOM is a file. Yeah. In this file, yeah. As of now, what we see? DOM methods we see. DOM is nothing but what is DOM? Document. What is document? It's an built-in object in JavaScript. Built-in object in JavaScript. What is object generally? Object contain properties and methods. That is object. So in the document object, we already seen methods. Now we are going to see the properties of the document object. Okay, na? Right. What are the properties of the document object? Yeah. So there are a lot of properties are there. By using these properties, we can identify the document elements. By using not only methods, by using properties also we can identify it, right? Okay. Document head. Document dot head. We can get the head section. We can get the head section. Document dot body. Document dot body. We can get the body section. Document dot title. Okay, see in head section, in body section, we can write ID, class, and based on ID, we can select the elements. Based on class, we can select the element. But in head section, can you write ID class? No. Then how to access the head section elements? I want to access the head section. I want to access the title. I want to access the only body. Yes, this is the way of accessing the head, body, title, properties. What is a method and if it is a method, at the end of it we can say parenthesis. If parenthesis is, that is a method. No parenthesis, that is a property. So these are the predefined properties. Right, next one. Document dot document element. last property we will discuss in tomorrow's session, document.cookie. Let us discuss the remaining properties. Cookie is one of the biggest property that we will see later. Okay, right. So these are the some of the important properties or attributes. Sorry, properties of a document object. Document object properties: head, body, title, document element, forms, scripts, anchors, URL, cookie. Cookie is the most important concept. You will discuss the cookie in front end and back end, both ways we can discuss. Okay, that we will see later about the cookie. Okay, right. Chilo. The next one is going to be, yeah, let's create an example. DOM properties.html. Script open, script close. Can you see console.log? Oh, sorry. Let me write the property document. I'm not writing anything. I'm just directly printing the document object. If I print the document object in the console, what are you going to get in the console? F12 and see this carefully. All the document object. What is document object referring here? If you can go to the console, see the whole document you are getting. See, when I'm mouse hovering, it is selecting everything. See, what is document? Document means what are the code you are writing in that HTML file. That is all come under document object. Inside the document object, you may have many elements. Many elements may have. That many elements I can delete, I can modify, I can update, I can change, or anything I can do. Why? Because they're all the part of document object. So in the document object, I want access specific element. I want to remove the specific element. I want to modify the particular element. Yes, that's why first you print the document. If you can print document, what are you getting? What are you writing in the document? The entire thing is a part of document object. Entire thing is a part of, for example, you see, I'm not writing head, I'm not writing body, nothing. Only document object I'm writing. See in the console, what are you getting in the document object? Still you are getting HTML, head you are getting, as a body you are getting. I didn't write anything. Na? See, even if you are not writing, why head HTML body is there? This is added by the interpreter automatically. Miru, you may forget to write head body, but interpreter will take care of it. Okay, if you are forgetting, interpreter will add it. But if you are writing, no need to worry about it, right? So finally, what is document means? What is document object? Document object is nothing but in a document you're writing some code, right? HTML elements you're writing. They're all the part of document object. That's why document object model. Inside a document, what are you writing? HTML elements. Every HTML element is called object in JavaScript. What is the meaning of model? Adding, creating, removing, updating, inserting. They're all come under object model. Document object model or document object manipulation. Manipulation means four operations: selecting, creating, inserting, updating, removing, all come under DOM operations. What is the meaning of DOM operation? So if anybody asks you in interview what is DOM, DOM is nothing but manipulating the HTML elements. What is the meaning of manipulation? Creating, reading, updating, selecting, deleting, inserting. They all come under, right. So this is going to be come under document. So in this document object, I am writing document dot head property. See in the console, you are getting only head section. Only head section you are getting. Okay, you see document dot body. If you can write, what are you going to get? Only the body. Only the body you are going to get. So document dot title. What is the document dot title? Yeah, you see, you are getting only the title. What is the title? Already you see what is the title you have? Welcome to HTML. The same title you are getting here now, sir. At the time of loading, I written welcome to HTML. I want to change this to welcome to JavaScript. How do I do this? You see, if you want to change this, document.title is equal to replace the value. What is the existing value? Right now you're writing welcome to JavaScript. If you can write it now, see on refresh the page, existing title HTML is replaced with welcome to JavaScript. Now, existing is what? Welcome to HTML. By using JavaScript, we can modify the title tag information also, head tag information also, body tag information also. Okay, if you have if you know proper document object, we can control everything in the body. Nick ఏం కావాలి? What do you want in the body? What do you want removed from the body? What you want to add inside the body? How to update the specific things in the body? All we can do with the help of document object. Okay, right. So this is what exactly. So document.title. Sir, I want to update the title on click. Let us write one button. I'm writing one button. Right, see this carefully. Update title. I'm writing the button update title. On load the page, I don't want to update the title. On click the button, I want to update the title. Obviously, what are we going to do? Right, let us write on click is equal to some action. Update title function name itself is going to be update title is a function. So when you are clicking the button, the function, what is the name of the function? Update title will be called. Inside the function you are going to have, which is the thing. So update title. Right now on click the button, you see what is the title right now? Welcome to HTML. When I am clicking the button, you see title is updated now. Title updated, welcome to JavaScript. Able to see the title? Title is updated, welcome to JavaScript. Okay, observe this carefully. Right now, what is the title? Welcome to HTML. Update title. Title got updated from JavaScript to HTML to JavaScript. Okay. What is JavaScript? Simply says dynamically we are changing the elements. On load the page you want to change, on click the element you want to change, whatever you want to do, yes, we can do by using JavaScript. Yes, we can do by using JavaScript like this. Okay, na? Right. Okay, this is one example. Remember carefully. Generally, in some websites, we can see dark mode, light mode. Do you know what is dark mode, light mode? Maybe you see here. So when I am clicking this, what it is called? Dark mode. When I am clicking this, light mode. How can I do this? By using DOM properties. Properties. So okay, let us do one thing. Let me create two CSS files. One is light CSS, one is dark CSS. Okay, right, quickly. So let's go for the file. Create a new file. Dark light .html is a file I'm creating. A file I'm creating like this. Okay, create two CSS files quickly. Sorry. Oh, let me save the file. Dark.css. Let me create one more file. Light.css. 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 So inside I'm writing body. Light means background color white. Background color white. Okay. Text color. If you have any para tag there, color is going to be black color. Okay, na? H333 you write it, no problem. It's a color. Let us assume. Leave it and a dark. Dark in the sense, copy the code, paste here. Background color is going to be #333, color equal to white. Just I'm not making much. Okay. I have a button, two buttons, light or dark or something. Okay. But right now we have buttons here. No worries about it. You can keep the buttons anywhere in the document, no problem. Go to this page. Write two buttons here. Write two buttons. See, I'm going to have a button. Button open, button close. One is a light button, other one is a dark button. So two buttons I'm taking, I'm not designing. Okay. So in my document, I'm having a para tag open close. Let us have some information also. If you want to take some information from anywhere, copy some dummy information, lorem ipsum. Yeah. Some information I'm adding. information that we are adding. Suppose this button when I am in. Okay, no problem. Let's go for it. No worries about it. Right. Onload the page. What is a CSS I want to load? Onload the page. Light. Onload light. When you're clicking the dark, it has to go for dark. This is going to be light. So then what I am doing, try to see. Onload the page. I am linking the CSS file. Link relation equal to style sheet. href is equal to light.css. So we cannot load both at a time. Only initially one CSS we will load. When we are clicking dark, then load dark CSS. Okay, that's what we have to do. Now if we can go and refresh the page now, light CSS. No, you want to load dark first? Yeah, you see, I'm writing DARK dark. Now you see, dark CSS is loaded, color is going to be like this. But I want to click light, I want to click on dark. So then only it has to toggle. Okay, how do I do? But initially, let's make this is going to be LIGHT light only. Okay, on click the button. On click is equal to load light CSS, load dark CSS. On click is equal to, I'm just writing load dark CSS. Load light CSS, load dark CSS. On click the button. Two functions we are having. Okay, let's create a function in JavaScript. So what is a function? Load light CSS is a function. Light CSS we have to load. Right now we are writing function. FUNC function. Load dark CSS is a function. Tell me please what I have to do. What I have to do? You can do one thing. ID is equal to. You can take ID also for this set section element. No problem. Style. Let us take the ID equal to style. How can we access this element in the body section? Right, obviously get the element. First of all, let us write make a variable style is equal to document dot get element by ID. What is ID? Style. We have a lot of ways. I will tell you many ways here. Don't worry. Right. If it is a light CSS, how to do? Style dot href is equal to what is the document? Loading light CSS means light.css. That's all. So style, we are overriding the attribute, modifying existing attribute. What href light.css, right? Okay. HOL style dot href. Href actually not style. Better to take link tag. Link na. This is going to be link href. Link href. This is meaningful. Link href is equal to dark dot CSS. Okay, maybe they will write this logic. Now you go and check this now. Onload the page light. When I click the dark updated. When I click light, light updated. Just what are you doing? We are changing the attribute. Can you see now? In the head section. So this is head section. All of you see this carefully. When I am clicking dark, you see a blink. Can you see a small blink? What is updating? Only href is updating. If I click light, what is updating? Only you able to see ikkada కనిపిస్తుందా మీకు? Will you able to see this line? Yes. When I am clicking the dark, you see updating light. Blink effect is coming. That is called updating down. Initially, what is the element is there? Dark light.css. On click dark, light is updating with dark is updating with light. That is called updating DOM elements. On click the button, we are changing the value of an attribute. What is the attribute? href. The attribute we are changing. This we can do. Otherwise, we can do one more way. What is the one more way? On load the page, we can do this way also. You see, this is one way. Na? Let me show you the same example in a different way. But same example in different way. Light dark, light light dark dot css. Same example in different way. So what happening? All is copied or not? Oh, sorry. Light dark one dot html. Sorry, yeah. Saved, renamed it. Right now you see there is no link, nothing. No CSS applied, and we have buttons. Okay, we have buttons. Okay, then on load the page we have to add CSS. On load the page we have to add CSS. How can I add CSS on load the page? But on load low, you check any color, background color which you see aqua, AQUA aqua. So this is on load the page. Sorry, it's a different file. 1 minute, 1 minute. Let me run the file. Oh, why this is going this location? Sorry, CSS file cannot run. Run this file. Open a default viewer. By default, this is. By default, this is. On load the page. I want to add this CSS. AQUA, sorry, AQUA aqua. This is not required. Yeah, I want to add this color on load the page. On load, there is an event in JavaScript. On load event is there. On load event is always added on the body. Remember carefully. On load is always added on the body tag. On load the body, do something. On load the body. Before loading the body, I don't want. On load, and the body completely loads, then only I want to load the CSS. Okay. On load, you see, load CSS is a function. There's a function called load CSS. Take any name to the function, right? So then obviously what I have to do, you should create one function. First of all, there is no this also, nothing, right? Create a function load CSS. On load it, this will be called. Inside what I have to do, how to call the function, nothing but how to add the style. Already style is there. How can I add style inside the head section? How can I add? Remember, letter, all of you see this link is equal to document dot create element. What is the element I want to create? Link, because inside head section we don't have any link to get it by element by ID. So first of all, head section is empty. I want to access the element with the help of ID generally previously, but there is no ID now. So first of all, there is no link in the head section. Then how do I access the element? That's why we have to create element that element should append it in the head section. How do we append in the head section? Let us see. Right. So create element. Right. Link is created. So link dot set attribute ATTRIBUT set attribute. What is the main important attribute? Relation, and this is also important. STYLE style sheet. Okay, na? Next set attribute. Set attribute is going to be href. href. So what it is going to be? Right. So light.css, light on load light.css should be done. Element is created. But console log change console.log, you write link. If you can write link, now can you see in the console, are you having this or not? Can you check this now? Run function F12. So if you can refresh the page in the console, can you see link is created now? Link relation equal to style sheet light.css. File is created. This link we have to append in the head section. How can we append this element in the head section? Append child. To whom I have to append? To the head section. How do I access the head section? Document dot head dot append child. That's all. Very good. Append child. What you want to add? Link. Now on load the page. You see aqua added. When on load the page. On load the page, aqua added. Now when you click dark, when you click light, then what I have to do again? You see, this is going to be on click light or load CSS, no problem. Load CSS, on click load CSS, on click load dark CSS. Okay. Now nothing. Now you copy this function. This function I'm copying. Function load dark CSS. Same code copy paste inside of it. Nothing changed. Okay. Code copy paste here, and this is going to be dark.css. We can do like this also. And there are many ways to do this job actually. Okay, now you see on load the page, fine. When you are clicking dark, when I click light, on load what I need? I need light. When I am clicking dark mode, when I'm clicking light mode is coming. So how you are updating at the time of loading, can you see Inside the head section, link tag is added. Link is added. Link is added. Now you see. So, but at the time of loading, are you writing anything in the head section? Nothing. Head section is completely with the title on. Sir, I want to change the title also. So, okay, what is the title I want right here? So inside, I'm updating the title. What is the title? Documented.title. Light mode enabled. Ah, so here document.title is equal to dark mode enabled, light mode enabled, dark mode enabled, light mode enabled, dark mode enabled. Okay, right. Now you see title is also updated or not. Please check it carefully. Unload the page. What is the title generally? Welcome to HTML. When I'm loading the page, what is the thing? Light mode enabled. When I'm clicking this, what is the title? Dark mode enabled. Can you see dark mode is also coming there? See how we are manipulating the DOM by using DOM properties or DOM methods. It is a combination of what and so DOM property we are using, DOM methods also we are using, set attribute, get attribute, remove attribute, as well as create element is what DOM method. So what is this head? What is this title? DOM properties, right? We can use anyone. Okay, check it carefully. What is this is exactly real-time low. If you are able to see this type of situations, is 100% DOM properties. This type of things you will do by using DOM only, like CSS, .css. Just now we seen this website, right? Yeah, in this website, just now we see what is light CSS, what is .css. Understand? So now click this dark mode. If I click this, what it is going to be called? Light mode will be all lines. Okay, now right. So I mean we should know how these are all the things we know how these are implemented and using JavaScript. How we are enabling dark mode, how we are enabling light mode. So already I given an example like this now. Very simple example this is. Why should I go like this? And this is called dynamic DOM generation. Dynamically we are creating element, we are appending element to the head section, and also dynamically we are updating the title. Okay, one customer may look like this, some other customer may ask you different way. So and actually seriously says this also looks very easy. Sometimes we don't want to load any CSS here. CSS also will come from backend. Which CSS should be loaded? The setting will come from the backend. Based on that backend only we have to load the CSS. Initially, I don't want to load any CSS. Initially, I don't want to load any CSS. This is all done with the help of JavaScript only. Okay, the task you understand how the task is implemented? Yes, this is a way of implementing the particular task that we are using in the real time. Okay, shallow. Yeah. Dark mode and light mode. Anything you want to update, you can update it. Of course, um, I want to show you one property. Try to see. Document element. What is the meaning of document element? Whole document will be written. Console.log whole document. Right now, see all the document will be written. If you can refresh the page, you see this is a complete document. Document head will give you only head section. Document body will give you only body. Document title will give you title tag only. Document element will give you the complete HTML document. చూడండి document element I written. Simply what I am doing, document element dot remove method if we can apply, what will be happen? Onload the page, nothing to see. Why? Because everything removed na, everything is removed, nothing to read, nothing to do anything. Okay, better to go to you go to any website, better to go W3 schools or any website you go there. Yeah, sorry, W3 schools. Go to this website, press F12, close all these. Lot of things are coming, close this. See, go right one, document dot head. What is this going to be? Head section of W3 schools. We can write in the console also. See how big the head section of the W3 schools? Yeah, this is going to be the head section. Alane document dot scripts. All the script tags. How many script tags are in these W3 schools? 35 script tags are there. I don't know why they are using these many scripts. They are using 35 script tags. How many script tags? 35 script tags. You want to display individually? You see, for JavaScript, we will write in file, and after that we are executing the browser. Of course, whatever the code you're writing in the file, the code we can write in the console also. We don't want to write the code in the file, and generally what we will do, we will open the file, we will write some code, we will execute in the browser. The same code we can write here also. See, for let item of document dot scripts. Yeah, document dot scripts console dot log of item. Each and every item I am going to get. What is each and every item? See, all the script tags I am getting now. How many script tags are there? 35 script tags are there. Because of writing this, I am getting all the script tags. Okay, I want to see the same logic again. Try to see. Let's write the up arrow. Press up arrow. Up arrow. Item dot src. What is the meaning of item dot src? Each and every script tag source I will get it, and the source of the each and every script tag. Can you see? Each and every script tag sources I am getting. And what is the CSS they are loading? See, all the files of the every script contain src attribute na. That src attribute I want to get it, right? Okay, the same way, let us clean this. Document dot sorry document dot images. If you can write images, how many images are there in the document? 16 images are there. అంటే ఇప్పుడు ఒక క్వశ్చన్ ఇంటర్వ్యూలో క్వశ్చన్, how to find the total number of images in a document. I have a document, I want to know total number of images in the document. For all the images, I want to add alt attribute. I want to add title attribute. How do I add title and alt for all the images? Nothing, very simple thing. Same logic you're writing for let for let item of document dot images yeah, inside you can write what? Item dot src equal to, if we can write empty, what is going to happen? Every image will be removed with empty. Item dot title, title is equal to JavaScript training. Wherever you have image, see, I'm updating this. Is updated? Now, wherever you have image in this, right? This is image. Oh, this is not an image. Maybe you go to this. Is there any images I have? 13 images they showed me, right? Where are images, man? Oh, at the bottom I have image. I don't know whether they are images or not. Hey, see, what is the tooltip I am getting? JavaScript training. It is updated now. Wherever you have image, that is going to be updated with this is okay. Here I have image. What is the mouse over? Home. This is image, not image. Actually, this is icon. Icons are different, and this is going to be different. Wherever you have image, that images. This is also image. Mouse over. What is the title? What is the title? JavaScript. The tooltip you are getting now. So I updated backend like this. Okay, by using JavaScript, we can update all the default attributes and default values also. That logic we can write in the file, or we can write inside a website also. Wherever you have images, of course, you go to this local website. Yeah, let us go to this local. In this local also, you will able to see lot of websites, lot of images. So this is an image, and some images are there. These are the images. This is image, right? Press F12, the same thing. And what you can write here, document dot images. If we can write it, it will tell you how many images are there in the home page. 21 images are there. 21 images are there. I am writing. Okay, you see. For let item of document dot images, 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 images. I'm writing item dot remove. ఏమవుతుందండి ఇప్పుడు ఎంటర్ కొడితే నా డాక్యుమెంట్ లో ఇమేజెస్ మొత్తం డిలీట్ అయిపోయినాయి చూడండి, ఎక్కడ కూడా ఇమేజెస్ లేవు. Some images were deleted. 21 images are there earlier. My logo deleted. In the banner there is an image deleted, and some other icon, internal icons are also deleted. But these, see, some images are deleted. Maybe these are in the slider, na? When they are visible, okay, this is fine, no problem. This is not deleted. I don't know what is the reason, but images were deleted. Some of the images were deleted, not all the images. Okay, right. Same logic. Let me run it again. So if you can run the same logic again. So if I run again, deleted all. Okay, some images are deleting, some images are not deleting. Okay, na? Right. Item dot remove means each and every item will be removed. In the same way, document dot forms. How many forms are there in a HTML document? One form is there. What is that one form? The search form only. The search form is like one form. So document dot anchors, ANCHORS anchors. Nothing. Why nothing? There are all anchor tags are there in the document. Anchor tag, if you want to get, there should be name attribute for the anchor tag. Without name attribute, anchor tags will never come. So what is this property finally? What are these are going to be do ante how we can access the element. So I want to know total number of images in a document. I want to know total number of scripts in a document. How to modify the head section, how to modify the body section. ఇక్కడ చూడండి ఇంకా రాస్తున్నాను. Document dot body. We're getting body now. Document dot body dot remove. What is happening? Body removed from the document. Only what is available? Only available is what? Head section only available. Right. You see, I don't want to do all these things. Simply document dot document element. Element means complete things you are getting. Element dot remove method, if you can apply. Everything is removed. Nothing is there in the body. Only doc type is there. Using JavaScript, what you can do, we can have control, full control over the HTML, over the CSS. Generally, how to create the structure using HTML, how to design the structure using CSS. By using JavaScript, I can do both. I can do both. At what time you want to do? On loader, on clicker, on double clicker. That's all possible in the JavaScript. But HTML, CSS all do on load only, not on click. On click, I want to design this element. How do I design this element? On click only. Yesterday, on mouse over, we are adding the color. On mouse out, we are removing the color. So not on load. When you are hovering, when you are removing. How we can do by using JavaScript. Really, whatever you can do in HTML and CSS, the same I can do by using JavaScript more flexibly. On see, HTML and CSS will do always on load. Sir, on load I can do, on click I can do, on hover I can do, on mouse out I can do, on double click you want to do. Yes, everything is possible with the help of JavaScript, guys. Okay, so finally, what is DOM here? Manipulating the document elements. How we are manipulating? Actually, in the head section we don't have any style, but by using JavaScript, what we are doing, on load we are adding the style. On click, we are changing the existing style to new style. How this is all happen with the help of JavaScript. Okay, right. Next concept, cookie. What is cookie? చెప్పండి, cookie అంటే ఏంటి? What is cookie? Next very important concept is going to be cookie. Yeah, please tell me now, what is a cookie? Sorry? Pieces of data. Pieces of data. What is a cookie? What is the Telugu meaning? Hindi, Telugu, Kannada, Tamil. Telugu meaning చెప్పండి పోనీ. Everybody know Telugu, right? చెప్పబ్బా. Hey, why not go to bakery? Ask them, pack అర కేజీ, హాఫ్ కిలో cookies. They will pack. Do you know cookies in bakery? What is cookies in bakery? Biscuits. Cookie means what? Biscuit. Then what is biscuit? Huh? Right. The biscuit is a food item. The cookie is a cookie is a food item. Cookie is a food item. In real life law. But we want to know programmatically cookie. Remember, without cookies, there is no programming language. Go to Java, .NET, Python, PHP, JavaScript, jQuery. Wherever you go, we will listen the concept called cookie, cookie, cookie. Why cookies? And what is a cookie? Where cookies will be saved? Cookies are saved. Bakery lo na? Inside bakery? Hey, మీరు ఎప్పుడన్నా at any time you check the browser. Browser contain cookies. Do you heard about this? Sometimes if a browser is very slow, system is very slow, what we will do? Delete the cookies. Sometimes you are refreshing something, it is not updated. What you will say generally ante hard refresh, delete the cookies, delete the cache for getting the latest updates. Right? Everybody, this is a general concept actually. Everybody should know. Irrespective of the front end developer, back end developer, whatever the technology you are learning, you should know about the general concept. This is general purpose concept. Not only this, you should know one more concept. I already told you in the starting. The concept is going to be what is a protocol. Everybody should know about it. What is a protocol? Set of rules. Why? To whom? Set of rules for you or for me? To whom? Generally, we will see this protocol in government offices. Prime Minister is coming and the state government should follow the protocol. As per the protocol only, people will allowed to the stage. Not all the people allowed on the stage. Only some people, as per the protocol. Yeah, I am also the important person in this area, and they won't allow you. Protocol does not allow me. We don't want to allow you, sir. People will say like this. I'm the popular figure in this area, and they won't allow us, right? There is some simply what they will say. There is a protocol, sir. We don't want to allow you. Only particular people only we allow on the stage, especially prime minister meeting, chief minister meetings. Maybe we will see this type of things. What is a protocol? Rules and regulations for what? Right. And one more thing. What is a HTTP protocol? HTTP protocol. Not only a concept called cookie, we have a one more thing called what is a session. Session అని కూడా ఉంటుందండి ఇంకొకటి. Session cookie. Without these two concepts, no programming language. Everywhere we will see the concept called cookie and session. Maybe you learn React. Maybe you learn any backend Java, .NET, Python like this. You heard two things. One is session, one is cookie. But if you want to know what is a session and what is a cookie, first what you should know? You should know about a protocol. You should know about protocol. What is a protocol? And especially you should know there are a lot of protocols are there. Maybe you studied in your graduation. HTTP protocol, HTTPS protocol, FTP, TCP, UDP. Anybody computer science students? Who are computer science students? Do you have subject called computer networks? Computer networks. Do you have? Don't you have?
Yes.
I have this size of textbook, maybe 1200, 1300 pages textbook is there. In my first year MCA, first sem low, I have the subject computer networks.
6 semester.
Okay. For me, in MCA, the first year, first sem, I have the subject. So in that, you will have all the information about the protocol, types of protocols, what the protocols will do, LAN, WAN. Maybe you heard about it. Local area network, wide area network. Maybe I don't know whether you heard about it. So every day we are using laptop. Every day we are using laptop and mobile devices. Mobile devices are connected with Wi-Fi. Laptops or systems are connected with the LAN local area network or something like this. Okay, you are opening any of the website, whatever the website you want to open, every website is taught with HTTP protocol only. Na? Sir, why HTTP or HTTPS only? We have a lot of protocols are there, na? FTP, TCP, UDP, SMTP, lot of protocols are there. What is the protocol duty? Transferring data from one location to another location. That is the duty of protocol. All the protocols will do this job. Transferring data from one location to another location is the protocol duty. So I have one big question here, sir. Why we are using to access any website, Facebook or Google or Twitter, or anything you want to open, you will start https facebook.com, https google.com only. Without https, can we open a website? Impossible. My question: why should I use HTTP or HTTPS only? Why not other protocol FTP, TCP? Are we using FTP and TCP anywhere in our regular life daily? Where are you using FTP, TCP? Where we will use in our real life?
Transferring data from mobile to laptop.
Okay, FTP, TCP, UDP. Okay, TCP IP and FTP. I want to know where we are using them. Where we are using those protocols in our real life regularly. Whether you will use HTTP, HTTPS, I don't know, but regularly you will use TCP, IP, and FTP. What is that? Is where you are using file transfer protocol. In desktop, I have a file. I'm copying the file. I'm pasting into D drive. Who is transferring the file that location? That location, you know, FTP protocol is doing the job there, but we don't know. But regularly we are using that. TCP, and TCP transmission control protocol, people will say generally. This is also used in our systems. So FTP transferring data, TCP transferring data, HTTP also transferring data. To transfer the data of any website, why they are using HTTP only? Why they are not using FTP and TCP IP? So we should know. If you know that clarity, then you will understand the cookie and session. If you want to understand cookie and session, first you should know about the protocol. There is a problem in the protocol. To overcome the problem, they introduced two concepts called cookie and session. What protocol? HTTP protocol have a problem. What is that problem? And to overcome the problem, they introduced the cookie and session. What is the purpose of cookie? What is the purpose of session? What you do today? Go to YouTube, Hindi people, Telugu people. Go to YouTube, watch a Telugu video about HTTP protocol, watch a Hindi video about HTTP protocol. Try to know one more video. Why should I use cookie? What is the purpose of cookie? Write two questions in YouTube, find the clarity. Let me explain the same in tomorrow's session. Okay, because without knowing it, just I can say cookie, why cookie, how to create cookie, how to access cookie. Okay, that's completed. But we should know why should I use cookies? What is the purpose of using cookies? In real time, you ask anybody who is working with the 10 plus, 20 plus, 90% people will never know why should we use cookies. They know how to use cookies, how to create cookies, they know. What is the purpose behind the scenes of creating cookies, they don't know. But that we want to know first tomorrow, then after that we will proceed further. Okay, right. Tomorrow is all about cookies.